125 years, we have been concentrating on pliers. With uncompromising quality efforts, many new ideas, and the contributions of our workforce and partners, we have made KNIPEX the leading brand for pliers worldwide. It all starts in 1882 at Wuppertal, Kronenberg. Carl Gustav Putsch sets up a small forge in which he, an experienced craftsman, and 2 apprentices manufacture pincers for carpenters and farriers. In the beginning, the small enterprise produces 60 pliers per day. Today, KNIPEX is the world's leading brand of pliers. More than 800 employees at Kronenberg produce over 45,000 pliers a day. To offer the best tool for every application, the product range now consists of over 1,000 pliers. The continuous improvement of the range requires creative minds. How can hand force be reduced when cutting and gripping? How can work be done faster? How can the load and life cycle of pliers be raised? With what material and design? How do we improve ergonomics and safety? Again and again, our fresh ideas create a competitive advantage. Modern software and systems engineering turn our ideas to the stage needed for production. We place high demands on our production. It is important that we directly control all conditions and processes. The high-quality steel is produced to our own specifications. The forging dies are milled internally on the basis of design data. The foundation for quality is laid during forging, just as it was 125 years ago. Modern production machines carry out the subsequent machining and assembly operations. We influence material properties by means of modern controlled heat treatment, and thus achieve the best relationship between tool hardness and toughness. The efficient production of pliers meeting the highest demands requires both modern technology and an experienced, well-trained workforce. These create precision and reliability. We accept nothing less. "100% reliability." This is what our customers expect. For this reason, each pair of pliers is checked as to faultless operation before leaving our factory. We test new models and materials very extensively in our laboratory. Only those that pass the rigorous KNIPEX test procedures are released from manufacturing. Our endurance test shows just how great our lead is over our competitors. Tens of thousands of pliers a day require a well-tuned logistics system, particularly in view of the high number of variations. Ultra-modern material flow techniques make sure that each pair of pliers reaches the right place in the warehouse or shipping department. From here, the pliers are sent to all continents. We are present in 100 countries of the world thanks to our importers, representatives, and branches. Although each market is different, there is always a path ahead. The key to success lies in close, effective cooperation with our partners. Our export share today is 65%. We fully realize that our workforce represents our most important asset. Our employees have the knowledge and ability without which we would be unable to maintain our competitive edge. Only by above-average performances in all sectors and at all levels can we be successful in the future. the special commitment of our staff, and short decision-making paths are the typical advantages of a family-owned company. Values are important to us. We do not wish for success at all costs, and not at the expense of the environment. The demands placed on our work and services are steadily increasing. That is why we are not only investing in machinery and buildings, but also especially in apprenticeship and ongoing training. We need both to sustain continuous modernization. We believe that companies should be good citizens. That is why we get involved in many ways, and particularly in the social and cultural fields. We support many schools, clubs, and other initiatives in our town. Our annual benefit concert for parts of the world in need has already become an important tradition. We are proud of the many employees who support us in our involvement. Many things have changed on our way from being a small forge for pliers to being the market leader worldwide. The market too has changed. Globalization and a growing concentration of manufacturers and distributors are determining current trends. Change necessitates adjustment and new steps. However, a few principles have been important to us right from the beginning, and these we do not wish to abandon. Less is more. We are not losing our way in too many areas. We want to be the best when it comes to pliers. Quality is decisive. We place the highest demands on our products and all our activities. Good is not good enough. We work with new ideas for continuous improvements. Values count. We aim for a fair and good relationship with our workforce, partners, and environment. This is the basis on which we wish to grow, embark on new paths, and make use of our favorable chances, together with you as our valued partners.